The Morrison Center Recital Hall is the most important room in our entire building. This is where our students and our faculty and our guest artists perform. So we need to have functioning lights. We literally don't have functioning lights right now, and it's time for us to revamp the system. It hasn't been replaced or updated since it was installed in 1982. It's been 37 years. I myself have experienced having to squint and kind of look down in different ways because you literally cannot see the performers on stage. So it's just malfunctioning right now, and so obviously the experience for the audience will be dramatically improved if we can have this happen. And we're not looking to have an expensive state-of-the-art system. We need to have something functioning. These systems are really expensive, and obviously a music department isn't making money anywhere. And I think the university doesn't have the funds readily available, and so we're trying to do all we can to at least jumpstart the project, and any little bit that people can give is going to go a long way to helping us get there.